You said that data scientist, I would rather prefer to call myself data practitioners, and it started with data and not data science. I would rather, like you to explain more on this one. It's very interesting topic.
See, it is generally, that a scientist is something a very great profession, right? And generally, so but the problem here is like when someone claims themselves as a data scientist, you should know that there is an end-to-end process to it. It's not like just learning one language and building few models and putting into a resume will make you a data scientist. Because end of the day, the data science career is one of the career which requires a lot of patience and a lot of domain knowledge and less number of technical knowledge. People will go with high technical knowledge. That means exact engineering course with a little managerial skill. Basically, data science is a techno managerial program where it is going to end of the day convert ROI for company, the return on investment. So I would say like a data scientist, I can say, but in modern day, the biggest problem which we are facing is any company which they are opening up a profile like machine learning engineer, data analyst, or data consultant like that. Anything which is not closer to data scientist, they are ignoring. But they are not knowing that this is basically a role of a data scientist. So I don't want it to encourage that terminology become the next data scientist. I would encourage become a data practitioner, because you are losing bigger opportunities without reading the description of the job, only looking for the title. If you go into the title, you will see, for example, when I started my career, there was no terminology called data scientist, but I was mainly a complete analyst. So end of the day, what happened is like when I started with it, unfortunately I was in different verticals like designing, development, and managerial skills. So altogether, end to end, that gave me the profession. That too was being given by one of the India's top 10 data scientists, that you are one of the associate data scientists. So the process is, let's break that rule that data scientist is a keyword which a lot of people are misusing to these days. They should understand, you should learn to love the data, then you become a data practitioner. Title is something like allies. It can be called as data scientist also. But more than looking into the job title, look into the job description and job role.